Welcome to Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Charaka Samhita Siddhisthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this block. Chapter 7 Basti Vyavat Siddhi Management of Complications of Therapeutic Enema Part 3. Complication of Shiro Arthi or headache. Etiology, clinical manifestation and management of Shiro Arthi Basti complication. Durbale Krura Koshte Cha Tivra Doshe Tanu Mrutu Shido Alpascha Mrudo Avrudo Doshaihi Bastihi Tat Vihido Anilaha Margehi Gatrani Santavat Urdvam Murdani Vihanyati. Management. Kuryat Abhyanjanam Thailam Levanena Yadhaviti Abhyanga with Levana Thaila as per standard method. Yunchat Pradhamanaihi Nasyaihi Dhumyaihi Asya Virejayet. Shiro Virejana with Pradhamana Nasyan Dhumapana. Tikshna Anulomigena Adha Snigdam Bhukte Snigda Tikshna Anulomaga Bhojana Anuvasayet. Followed by Tikshna Anulomika Bhojana Anuvasana Basti is done. Complication of Anga Arti Body ache. Etiology, clinical manifestation and management of Angarthi Basti complication. Angarthi Basti Vyabat Hedu Lakshana Chigilsa Sneha Svedai Rana Abat Aghura Tikshna Adi Matraya Yasya Bastihi Prayucheda Aso Adi Matra Pravartayed Srudeshu Tasya Dosheshu Nirudasya Adi Matra Shaha. When Basti having Guru and Tikshna properties administered in patients who have not undergone proper Purva Karma, doshas are eliminated in excess or Adi Matraya. Thus, Angarthi is resulted. Stabdo Avrada Koshtasya Vayuhu Sampradihanyade. Due to excessive elimination, there will be Stabdha, Avrada Koshtadha, and Vada gets affected. Vilomana Samudbhudo Ruchadi Angadi Angani Dehinaha. Pain over body parts is produced due to upward movement of Vada, Vilomana. Signs and symptoms. Gatra Veshtana, Nistoda, Beda, Sfurana, Jrumbanaihi. Gatra Veshtana, somatic pain, Nistoda, pricking pain, Beda, piercing type of pain, Sfurana, fasciculation, and Jrumbana, yawning are also seen. Management. Tam Taila Levanabhyangta, Sejayed Ushna Varina, Abhyanga with Levana Taila, followed by sprinkling of hot water all over body. Eranda Patra, Nishkwadehi, Prastarehi, Cha Upapadaye. Prastara Sweda through Eranda Patra Kwada is done. Yavan Kulatan Kolani, Panchamule Tatho Abhaye, Jaladagadvaye Patwa, Padasheshena Tena Cha. Yava, Kulatta, Kolan, both types of Panchamula added with 2 adag of water and reduced to 1/4. Kuryatsa, Bilva Taila Ushna, Levanena Niruhana. To this decoction add Bilva, Taila and Levana. This is to be given as Niruha Basti when it is warm. Tam Nirudam Samashvaha Tam Dronyam Sam Avagahayed. Patient is to be given assurance as well as Avagaha Sweda. Tadho Bhuktavadaha Tasya Karayed Anuvasanam Yeshti Madhuga Tailena Bilva Tailena Va Vishak. When once the patient taken food Anuvasana Basti is to be given with Bilva Taila or Yeshti Madhu Taila. Complication of Parikartika, fissure in ano. Etiology, clinical manifestation and management of Parikartika Basti complication. Mrudukoshta, Alpadoshasya, Ruksha Tikshna Adi Matravan, Basti Dosha Nirasyashu, Janayet Parikartika. Parikartika manifested when the patient of Mridu Koshta, Alpadosha are administered with Nirukha Basti of quality, Ruksha Tikshna or in higher dose. Clinical manifestation. Triga Vankshana Bastinam, Todam Nabhe Radho Rucham, Vibando Alpa Alpas Muddhanam, Basti Nirlekhanat Bhave. Toda over Triga, low back, Vankshana groin and Bastinam, urinary bladder, Rucha pain over low umbilical region, Nabhe Radho. Leghana effect of Basti may result in constipation and bowel evacuation in little quantity. Vibando Alpam Alpam Uddhanam. Management. Swadu Shida Aushadaihi Tatra Paya Ikshwadibihi Sridam Yeshtiahua Tila Kalkavyam Bastihi Sya. Basti prepared out of milk, processed with drug having Madhura and Shida property. For example, Ikshurasa and by adding paste of Yeshti Madhu and Tila is to be administered. Kshira Bojinaha. Patient is to be kept on milk diet. Sa Sarjarasa Yeshtiahwa Jingini Kardama Anjanam Viniya Dugde Bastihi Syat. Administer Basti prepared with milk by adding Sarjarasa Yeshtimadu Jingini Kardama Anjana. Vyakta Amla Mrudubhojana. The patient is to be kept on Mrudubhojana with Amla Rasa. Complication of Parisrava. Oozing through anus. Etiology, clinical manifestation and management of Parisrava, a Basti complication. Pitta rogoe, Amla, Ushno, Va Tikshno, Va Levano, Adhava, Basti Likhadi Payum, Tu Kshinodi Vidahadi Avi. Sa Vidaktaha, Sravadi Asram Pittam, Cha Aneka Varnavat, Saryade Bahuvegena, Moham Gachadi, Cha Sagrat. In a patient of Pitta Roga, if Basti having any of the quality of Amla, Ushna, Tikshna, Lavana is administered, the Basti Dravya cause Leghana of Payu, resulting in injury and even Vidaha. This leads to Rekta and Pitta oozes in different color. Frequent or forced excretion will be followed by Moha and Asakrit. Management. Ardra Shalmali Vrindaihitu, Shunnai Rajam Payahasradam, Sarpisha Yojidam Shidam Basti, Asmai Pradhabayet, Basti made with paste of Ardra Shalmali Vrinda and got milk, then heated. Along with ghee, Basti is to be given when this cold. Vadadi, Pallaveshu Kalpo, Yavadileshu Cha, Suvarchala Ubodigayoho, Karbudharecha Shasyade, or administer Basti prepared as a kalpa, like the above mentioned, with tender leaves of Vadha, Yava, Tila, Savarchala, Ubodiga, Karbudara. Gude Segaha, Pradehascha Shidaha, Syuhu, Madurascha Ye, Rekta Pitta Adisaregni, Kriyacha Atra, Prashasyade. Sega or Pradeha is also indicated with the drug of Madhura Rasa and Shida Guna. Therapies indicated in Rekta Pitta and Adisara are also beneficial. Tikshnatvam Mutra Pilu Agni Levanakshara Sarshabaihi Praptakalam Vidhadavyam Kshiradyehi Mardavam Tatha. The Tikshnata of Basti Dravya may be increased by adding Gomutra, Pilu, Agni, Levana, Kshara, Sarshaba. To improve mrudutva of Basti Dravya, Kshira, etc. is to be added. Overall cleansing effect of Basti. Apada Talamurdastan Doshan Pakvashiye Stidaha Viryena Basti Radatte Gasto Arco Borasaniva. As sun, located high in the sky, drives up moisture of earth, in the same fashion, Basti situated in Pakvashya due to its potency draws the dosha present entire in the body. Yadvad, Kusumba, Sammisrat, Toya Dragam, Harit Padaha. Purva karma in the form of Sneha and Sweda commonly dissolve the dosha as well as body nutrient. However, Basti Dravya eliminates only dosha as a piece of cloth soaked in a mixture of Kusumba and water get only dye. Tadvat Dravyakritat Deha Niroho Nirharet Malan. Niroha Basti will eliminate the liquefied malas from body like the cloth which will remove the color of kusumba mixed water. Summary Tatra slogaha ityedha vyabadaha prokta bastehe sagrati beshajaha budva karsanyena tan basti niyunchan na paradhyadi. To summarize, complications of Basti along with their cause, signs, symptom and management are described. If a physician administer Basti with proper knowledge and understanding of all these, will never commit a mistake. इति अग्निवेशकृते तन्त्रे चरकप्रति संस्कृते अप्राप्ते दृढबलसम्पूरिते सिद्धिस्थाने बस्तिव्यापत् सिद्धि नाम सप्तमो अध्याय. In this way, seventh chapter, namely successful treatment of complication of Basti of Siddhisthana of Charaka Samhita written by Agnivesha, edited by Charaka and redacted by Dridabala is completed. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.